first eating, first taste of food.
Second bite.
Second bite.
He's 6 months old.
6 months old, Hodge.
Second bite of food ever.
Second bite of food ever.
I'd get to do it. That's how it goes. Bananas.
Look, what is that? What is that in my mouth?
That's bananas, Hodge.
This is, what, September 20th? 2009, and you're eating bananas.
Do you see how many it is that Mr. Robbie had told us? How much is
Oh, yeah?
Oh, he's gonna choke on it.
It's 2009.
Oh no.
That's the year. That is right. You want more bananas?
Can I see Hodge? Can he eat it? Can I see Hodge? Can I see
Not a
Hodge?
banana chance.
He's like, what is that?
Not into bananas yet? You will be. You will be into bananas someday.
You would love those bananas someday.
Big brother loves them. Or that's maybe too big. More? Oh, yeah. See, now you want more. I can tell. I can tell.
Oh no. He just hit his nose on a table.
More?
That fly.
More?
I don't want salad, Mama.